दोस्तों, मुखे हमेशा डाइस खां नफ़रत रही है। हिकिड़ो त ॾाढो फॉर्मल लगंदो आहे ऐं ॿियो त इन करे जो मां सम्झंदी आहियां त जेका इंट्रोडक्शन आहे दोस्तनि सां उहा सही नथी थिए। वेल, तव्हीं ख़ुशि आहियो, मां ख़ुशि आहियां। हिन महिल जेको सेशन असां स्टार्ट करण वञूं था उन जी थीम आहे रोल ऑफ सिविल सोसाइटी इन चेंजिंग सिंधी कॉन्शियसनेस। ॿ मिंट रुगो मां तव्हांजा वठंदसि सिविल सोसाइटी ते ॻाल्हाइण जे लाइ। Civil society is composed of the totality of many voluntary social relationships, civic and social organizations and institutions that form the basis of a functioning society. From a historical perspective, the actual meaning of civil society has changed twice from its original perspective. Classical form. The first change occurred after the French Revolution and the second occurred during the fall of communism in Europe. To me, the civil society is, ladies and gentlemen, it's a democratizing the governance of a system. Today in this session, I am proud that we have well-known people to speak on this subject. Today, the chair of the session is Mr. Justice Retired Fakhruddin G. Ibrahim. Mr. Ibrahim is an eminent Pakistani jurist, constitutional experts, senior advocate, Supreme Court, former federal law minister, former Attorney General of Pakistan, former judge of the Supreme Court, and former governor of Sindh province. Please, ladies and gentlemen, welcome Mr. J. Ibrahim on the stage. Second speaker of the session is Mr. Jami Chandio, a well-known writer, activist, scholar, executive director of think tank Center for Peace and Civil Society. Mr. Chandio is author of more than 10 books on literature and politics. He was editor of Daily Ibrat from 1998 to 2002. He served on board of many international and national organizations. He won 2 APNS Award of Best Writer. He is also editor of Quarterly Journal Freedom. Mr. Jami Chandio is already on the stage. And now I would like to invite, top of that, one of my very, very good friend, Mr. Nasir Memon, presently CEO, SPO, served on many senior management positions, lead fellow, authored 6 books in Sindhi, 2 in English, 1 in Urdu, regularly writing on Dawn, Kavish and other international publications, board member of Indus Resource Center, and ladies and gentlemen, I am proud to call on stage Mr. Nasir Memon, a very good friend of mine. Now I have honor to call on stage the personality, personally, I am very impressed, Mr. Shuhab Usto. He gave me a very little introduction of himself. Formerly public servant, currently lawyer and activist, writer, social service activist, and he is very active in flood relief, civic services, and on different projects. Mr. Shuhab Usto. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a very energetic person. And I am also pleased to announce his name for the panelist of my session today, Mr. Masood Lohar. He is one of those young Sindhis who have brought a new dimension in development sector. Masood currently works for UNDP, and through his JEF SGP program, he has immensely contributed towards institutional development at grassroots level. Mr. Lohar is also a writer. He is an unpublished English novelist too. Mr. Masood Lohar. And another fellow today on the panel is Zulfikar Halipoto. He is writer, columnist, civil society activist. He is engaged with Sindh Development Forum, and he is author and editor of more than 15 books. Mr. Zulfikar Halipoto. दोस्तों, मूंखे चयो वियो आहे त मां अॼु जे हिन सेशन खे सिंधीअ में वधीक हलायां। सिविल सोसाइटी जी जॾहिं ॻाल्हि कजे थी, दो के कुझु ई डेकेड्स पहिरियां ही सिलसिलो शुरू थियो आहे पूरी दुनिया में, पर जेकॾहिं ॾिसजे त ही हिकिड़ो नओं न्यापो आहे आम माण्हूअ ॾांहुं। पोइ उहो माण्हू भले कंहिं ऑर्गेनाइज़ेशन में हुजे या ऑर्गेनाइज़ेशन खां ॿाहिरि हुजे, इंडिविजुअली कमु कंदो हुजे, पर ही हिकिड़ो दुनिया जी लेवल ते नओं न्यापो आहे हर फ़र्द ॾांहुं त हू अॻिते विख वधाए ऐं मुआशिरे जी बहितरी, भलाई ऐं तरक़ीअ जे लाइ जेको कुझु करणु चाहे थो अॻिते अचे, पाण पतोड़े कुझु करे ॾेखारे ऐं यूनिवर्सल लेवल ते, इंटरनेशनल लेवल ते हुन खे पार्टनर ॻोल्हे पंहिंजा, उन जे ज़रिए पंहिंजो कम खे अॻिते वधाए ऐं प्लस हिकिड़ी जीअं गवर्नमेंट टू गवर्नमेंट रिलेशनशिप ऐं कोऑर्डिनेशन एस्टेब्लिश थिए थी, मुल्कनि जी पाण में डिप्लोमेसी आहे, मुल्कनि जी पाण में तरक़ीअ जा तालुकात आहिनि, अहिड़े ई तरीक़े सां दुनिया जी कुंड कुड़छ में वेठंदड़ माण्हुनि जा पाण में तरक़ीअ जे लाइ, ख़ुशहालीअ जे लाइ ऐं वाद वेद जे लाइ हिकिड़ा तालुकात पैदा थियनि। सो इहा आहे अॼु जी थीम। पर इन वाद वेझ में तमामु घणा चैलेंजिस बि आया आहिनि, तमामु घणियूं हिकिड़ियूं रुकावटूं बि आयूं आहिनि ऐं तमामु घणो हिकिड़ो प्रोमोटिव कल्चर बि आयो आहे। इन सॼी सीन खे ॿुधण जे लाइ इहे असां पंहिंजे पैनलिस्ट खे घुरायो आहे। सभ खां पहिरियां मां दावत ॾींदसि मोहतरम जामी चांडे खे त हू स्टेज ते अचनि ऐं असांजी अॼु जी थीम खे ज़हन में रखंदे पंहिंजे ख़्यालनि जो इज़हार करनि। मोहतरम जामी चांडियो।
Thank you very much, Nurunisa, for inviting me on this stage. First of all, I would like to congratulate Sana for organizing their second Sindh convention in Karachi, Sindh. I think this could be the best way to bridge the gaps of understanding among various shades of life, among various communities living in Sindh. And this could be a proper forum to coin some workable and pragmatic ideas and solutions to our challenges that we are facing today. This session, since morning, we heard about the issues of education, issues of economic plight, issues of economic distribution, challenges of entrepreneurship, economic development, and by and large, issues which are related to the infrastructure of society or the material aspect of society. I think this session is very pertinent, that it is more about the superstructure of society, how society feels, how society thinks, what could be the possible interventions that civil society can make to improve the level of consciousness and to lay the foundations for a more moderate, progressive, secular, and democratic society. So, in a way, I do believe that this session has much significance to the challenges that we face in Pakistan and especially in Sindh. Before discussing the pertinent issues, I think we must be very much clear about one thing, that consciousness, be it Sindhi consciousness or consciousness of any society, I think before discussing the pertinent aspects of consciousness in any society or Sindhi society, we need to understand the dynamics or the cognitive dynamics of consciousness. Personally, I do believe that consciousness is not merely a subjective phenomena. It is the objective situation or the objective realities, be it economic realities, social realities, cultural realities, political realities, environmental realities, basically the objective realities of society together manifest the consciousness that any society has. In a way, I think that when it comes to the issue of consciousness or enhancing or improving the quality of consciousness in Sindh, it is also much related to the economic situation, the political issues, the cultural dynamics, and the challenges that we face. The very first point that I would like to profess